The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
We never know when an unexpected turn of events could leave us in need of good legal representation. Whether that's a car crash, an accident at work, or a disability claim, it's important to have a knowledgeable attorney in your network. Richard Smith is here from Smith Injury Law to talk about it. Good morning.
Good morning, Margaret.
I know you've been serving the community since 1987. Tell us a little bit about your background. What led you to be an attorney?
Well, my father was a police officer, and I was always interested in history and in government and stuff, and I went to law school and enjoyed it a lot. And I'm from Spartanburg. I went to USC upstate, went to South Carolina Law School, and been in this area since the late 70s, really.
Yeah. Well, in Smith Injury Law, you practice areas like personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, Social Security disability claims, and each case is handled by you or your partner, Scott Becky, personally. That's important, isn't it?
Yes, very much so. A lot of times if you call a law firm, you may get whoever they assign you to represent you in the case. We're a small firm. We have two lawyers, and we're the two lawyers that handle all the cases in the office. So you're not going to get somebody who you may not know, maybe somebody with very little experience. We both have a lot of experience.
Yep. And I know you really pride yourself in working for the people. You're not working for the insurance companies or the big corporations. You're taking care of the people. That's a big part of your practice.
Very true. We've been practicing this way our entire career. Both of us have. Now, Scott did start out working for the other side, but I've been with the plaintiff's side from the very beginning. I just think I've always been somebody who wants to support the working person. The person who goes every day, goes to work, tries to make their best for their family. And when they get hurt, it's a devastating accident to them, and they need to be compensated properly.
Well, there's a section on your website about integrity. You talk about truth being in the details, and it's really important to understand your philosophy. Tell us about that.
My father always told me, he said that one thing they can never take away from you is your integrity. Now, you can give it away, but they can't take it away from you. And that's the way I feel. There's no case we've ever handled that's worth cheating somebody, being dishonest. I believe the most important thing you have is reputation. And everybody who knows me knows that I mean what I say.
Yeah, and you even wrote a book on the mistakes that people might make in an auto accident case. Tell us a little bit about the book and why you wrote it.
I wrote that because I keep seeing the same mistakes over and over again, and devastating mistakes to people where they give recorded statements and it ruins their case. They forget to take photographs of the evidence. They move their cars before the police get there. All kind of things that happen that really hurt their case, and I wanted to write a book about it to explain to people what not to do.
Yeah, and people can request that book from you. They can get it for free, and they can work with you. They'll love to do that. 300hurt is the number to call, or visit 300hurt.com. Richard Smith, Smith Injury Law, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.